Hi everyone, welcome to Basic Funda. In today's video, we will see how we can do security role testing within a single browser. So in this video, I'll show you how we can test it using a Chrome extension that is Level Up Dynamics. So if I'll go and if I'll open my application, so I have an application. So what you have to do is on Google, you can simply search for Level Up Dynamics. Yeah, so this is the link that you have to click. So currently this is installed in my system. It is added into my system. That is the reason it is showing remove from Chrome. But if it is not, then you can add it and you will get it here. So this is a symbol of this Level Up Dynamics. So once it is done, you can go to your website or your application. Now let's suppose if I want to open a case. So you want to do a security role testing. So example, I am a user and I am having a ABC security role, and there is one more user who is having some other security role. So currently if you see here, it is logged in with my name, and if you go to Level Up Dynamics, this is how it looks. So there are multiple features which can be used, but this is the option called impersonate. So here it is asking for user to impersonate. So you can just simply search. So example, I have searched this person. So it will show. So you can just toggle and it will ask for reload. And if you see here in red, it is showing MD, that is Matthew Dixon. So now we are looking and we are logged in as a user Matthew Dixon. So if you see, this is giving me an error because now it is considering that you are logged in using this user, and this user is not having access to the cases entity. That is the reason, and even it is not having access to that app, that is the reason it is giving me error. So within a single browser, you can simply install, add this extension Level Up Dynamics, and you can go to this impersonate option. You can always choose the user here and you can start the impersonation, but right now I have to remove it so that I can show you how I can come back to my user. So here that MD is gone. So now I am logged in using my ID. That's why I am able to open this app. So now my impersonation is off. So now I am back with my access level and I can open the case. So that's how you can use this impersonation to do a security role based testing within a single browser. And there are many more features of Level Up Dynamics that you can use, like logical name. So if I'm opening this form and if I'll click on logical name, so it will show the logical name of every field that is present onto the form. This is how I can clear the logical names. There are certain features of blur fields. The most important thing is God mode we usually use. So if you see this is locked, that will become unlocked. So that's how, with the help of God mode, if you are doing some testing and you have to update this field but this is locked, so you have to go and open the form, and using the customization you will unlock it and you will update it. Once the testing is completed, you will again lock it using the form customization, but for the testing purpose you can use this God mode. So it will unlock all the locked fields. You can change according to you and you can save it and you can refresh it so that God mode will get over. So that's how we have different things that can be used. I can get the record ID, I can get the record URL. I want to see all fields that I can see here. Open record and web API. So if I am working on Postman, I want to create some request. So this record, so if I click on open record and web API, so it will open like this, and then we will be able to see anything whatever we have to use in the Postman. That's how we can install the Chrome extension, that is Level Up Dynamics, and we can use all the features that it is having for the testing purpose. So if you have any questions on this, so please let me know in the comments, and I will also mention the name of this extension that can be used. And if you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.